Hey there, DIY lovers! Welcome back to Enchantress Beauty. Today, let's tackle a common cosmetic concern: dark underarms. Don't worry, I've got some simple home remedies for you. Ready to say goodbye to dark underarms and hello to smoother, lighter, healthier skin? Let's dive right in. Dark underarms can be caused by shaving, specific deodorants, friction, dead skin cells, and even hormonal fluctuations. While natural remedies can help, remember, patience is key. Results might not be immediate, but consistency pays off. First up, lemon juice. It contains natural bleaching agents like citric acid that can lighten underarm skin. Apply it for 10-15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. It's that simple. Next, potato. Slice it up or use potato juice. Its natural bleaching properties can help reduce pigmentation. Give it a try. Now, baking soda. Make a paste with baking soda and water. Gently exfoliate your underarms with this mixture to remove dead skin cells and darkness. Easy peasy. Cucumber is another great option. Its soothing and bleaching properties make it perfect for treating dark underarms. Apply cucumber slices or juice to the affected area. Turmeric. Mix it with yogurt to create a paste. It brightens the skin and has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. A little goes a long way. Coconut oil is fantastic too. Rich in vitamins and fatty acids, it moisturizes and lightens the skin. Apply it daily for an even skin tone. Your skin will thank you. Aloe vera gel is a lifesaver. It soothes irritated skin and helps reduce darkness. Use it regularly for the best results. Orange peel powder mixed with yogurt acts as a natural exfoliant and skin lightener. It's a great combo for brighter underarms. Try it out. Gram flour, also known as besan, works wonders. Mix it with yogurt and a pinch of turmeric to make an exfoliating and brightening mask. Your underarms will love it. Finally, wear loose clothing. Avoid tight clothing that causes friction and irritation. Keeping your underarms happy and healthy is key. Remember, while these home remedies can help, maintaining proper hygiene is crucial. If dark underarms persist or worsen, consult a dermatologist for personalized guidance and treatments. Consistency and patience are your best friends in achieving brighter underarms. Stick with it and you'll see results. I hope you love these tips. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And make sure to subscribe to Enchantress Beauty for more amazing DIY beauty hacks. Thanks for watching.